Hi everybody, welcome to the Lexus Virtual Classroom. It's Tech Tip Tuesday. We've got a special shout out today to one of our YouTube subscribers. Thanks so much to Kahisho Mashalone, all the way from sunny South Africa. Thanks for tuning in and for the inspiration for this Tech Tip Tuesday. He asked an awesome question about how to customize one of the door lock settings. This happened to be on a 2014 GS. But keep in mind, you can customize door lock settings on any of the Lexus vehicles, and it goes pretty far back. We call them Lexus Personalized Settings, or LPS. You can even still find some of those documents online, even on the Lexus driver's website in the Resource tab. Make sure to input the model and year of your Lexus, click on Resources, and then look for Personalized Settings. It's actually at the bottom of the Manuals and Guides section. So we're going to kick off a little mini-series on Lexus Personalized Settings, and we're going to start with door lock settings. Now I'm going to be demonstrating this in a 2020 Lexus RX. Some of the verbiage has changed over the years, and your vehicle might be a little bit different, but you'll see that you have a lot of comparable settings that can be customized. Make sure to check out the key in your owner's manual for settings that can be changed through the remote touch, which is in the vehicle, settings that can be changed through the meter control switches, also in the vehicle, but that's in your multi-information display, or settings that need to be changed at your dealership. If you come across a setting that's in your owner's manual that says you need to have it customized by the dealership, that means it's not going to be accessible through the computer system on board the vehicle. It requires a technician to plug a computer in and then go through the software and then make some changes. So there's a lot you can customize on your Lexus. Come on, let's learn together. We'll start by pushing the menu button. Come to Setup, slide to the left, and open Vehicle Setup. We're going to explore vehicle customization in 4 different videos. Today's video will cover door lock settings. Our second video will be on climate settings. The third video in the series will be light settings. And the fourth and final video for vehicle customization will be other vehicle settings. So make sure to stay tuned and check them all out. Click on door lock settings to get started. We're just going to go in order and explain each of the settings that are available on this particular vehicle. Keep in mind, you might have different settings available on your Lexus, or you may have the exact same setting, but it could be worded a little bit differently. Automatic door lock, our options are by speed, by shift from park, or off. This means that when you get in your Lexus, do you want the doors to lock automatically when you get up to speed for this to engage? There we go. So we have to hit about 11 or 12 miles an hour for those doors to lock. The auto lock timing is speed dependent and varies by model and year of your Lexus. Take a look at this 2020 NX. It appears to auto lock at about 14 miles per hour. Do you want them to lock automatically when you shift out of park and into gear? So either you've gone into reverse or drive. Or do you want to turn that feature off altogether and you don't want your doors to lock? Most people prefer the shift from park selection. Automatic door lock by shift from park. When I shift into gear, my doors automatically lock. Coming down to automatic door unlock, our options here by shift to park, by the driver's door. If you've selected by driver door, when you come to a stop, put the vehicle in park, and then turn the vehicle off. When you open the driver's door, you're actually unlocking your entire Lexus, or off. By selecting off for the automatic unlock customization, When you come to a stop, go into park, turn the Lexus off, open the driver's door. Only the driver's door will open. All other doors in your Lexus will remain locked. For safety reasons, a lot of people prefer the doors to unlock either by the driver's door, which means when you open the driver's door, the vehicle will unlock, or off. This means your doors will stay locked even when you open the driver's door. If you tend to drive with other passengers in the vehicle, by shift to park or by driver door might be preferred, because if you do choose off, keep in mind that rear cabin passengers do not have an unlock button for their door handles. So unless the door is unlocked, they will not be able to exit the vehicle, even if the child lock is turned off. Remote to press unlock. All right, let's decode that message. You know how on your key fob, which they are calling your remote, you have a lock and unlock button, and with the unlock button, one push unlocks the driver's door, two pushes unlock your entire vehicle. If you turn off remote to press unlock, meaning press the remote 2 times to unlock the entire Lexus. If you turn that feature off, one press of the remote unlock button, the key fob unlock button, will unlock your entire Lexus. Let's check it out. Whether we lock from the button on the key fob or the indentation on the door handle, if you now do one push of the door unlock button on the key fob, your entire Lexus is unlocked. I'll demonstrate that by putting this key out of range. And you'll see that all doors are unlocked. Keep in mind that only applies to using the unlock button on the key fob. If you're using the Smart Access system, hand in the driver's door unlocks the driver's door only. Hand in a passenger door will unlock the entire Lexus. Unless you have a Lexus UX, and then you have an extra special way to unlock your entire vehicle at the driver's door handle. But that's another video. If you'd like to customize how the Smart Access system unlocks your doors, you'll do that here with Select Doors to Unlock. Click to open, and you can choose All Doors or Driver's Door. If you choose All Doors, then when you put your hand on the driver's door handle, all the doors will unlock. That's great if you travel with passengers on a regular basis. Otherwise, for safety, keep the selection on driver's door only. Just so you know, when I say let's learn together, I mean it. Wireless lock when door opened. What the heck does that mean? Let's learn together. Be right back. I'll go find out. Come back to the Lexus driver's website. Make sure that your vehicle model and year have been entered. Go to Resources and look up that Personalized Settings PDF. So wireless lock when door opened means you can lock from the remote even if your door is open. A couple of different scenarios for that. If you are walking away from your vehicle, you could hit the lock button on the key fob, then close your door, and things are locked. Or even better, you can lock your doors with the rear door open. So notice that the doors are locked, but because not all doors are closed, your side mirrors, if they have the auto fold feature, will not fold in. Once that final door is closed, your mirrors will fold in as long as you have the auto folding mirrors turned on. If you do have a door open, like the back door, and you try to lock with the Smart Access system, it's not going to like that very much. So with the wireless lock when door open feature is on, you can lock from your key fob, securing all doors and leaving the back door open, or any of the passenger doors if that's your preference. But this seems to be the most likely scenario if you've gone somewhere to camp or tailgate, or even if you're just loading or unloading at the rear of the vehicle and you want the rest of your vehicle secure. Leave this feature turned on. This is how it performs when the wireless lock when door open customization is turned off. When you've come to a stop and put your vehicle in park, turn your Lexus off. Now if you try to lock the vehicle with one of the doors open, including the rear cargo door, here's what happens. So the only way to lock the vehicle and leave a door open for access is if you turn on that customization. If your door is open and you lock the door, either using the key fob or the door lock button, make sure to remember to take your key with you. If you accidentally leave it in the vehicle and close the door, it should recognize that the key is in the vehicle, but it's always nice to be better safe than sorry. And make sure to bring it with you. Coming down to the auto relock timer, you have a lot of different options. The auto relock timer means you have unlocked your doors and then you maybe forgot something in your house and turned around, walked back in, and you never opened one of the doors on the vehicle. This feature is really for an additional security measure. If you're rushing around, click the unlock button on the way to the car and then go, oh man, I remembered my umbrella, but I forgot my coffee. Your doors are going to automatically relock. Please don't confuse this with an auto lock feature. Your Lexus does not automatically lock when you walk away from it. You do have to actively lock your car, either with the lock button on the key fob or the Smart Access system, indentation on the door handle, or even the lock function on your remote starter. You could even tell Alexa to lock your car for you if you use the Lexus skill with Alexa. Alexa, ask Lexus to lock my car. But if you have unlocked your doors and you do not open a door on your vehicle, your doors are going to relock in either 120 seconds, 60 seconds, 30 seconds, or not at all if you turn the feature off. You can turn on or off the lock and unlock feedback lights. Those are the lights that flash on the exterior of the vehicle, letting you know that your car is locked or unlocked. You can also adjust the volume for the lock and unlock feedback tone. Just crank it up or turn it down. This particular adjustment used to be done only through service with a technician. If you don't see this adjustment in your settings on the vehicle, make sure to check with your technician at your local Lexus dealer and see if it's available for your Lexus. Well, hopefully you found that helpful or at least interesting. Make sure to check out all of our other Tech Tip Tuesday videos here. And don't forget to subscribe and then hit that bell so that you can be notified when we release a next Tech Tip video. Thanks so much for dropping by the Lexus Virtual Classroom, and we'll see you next time.